silence of an empty room. Echoes of your laughter fade. Fingers trace where we once blew. Memories in shadows play. Heartbeat slow beneath the sky. Holding breath of what we lost. Every tear's a whispered whine at this ever-changing cost. Am I healing or still breaking underneath this golden light? FGMN, I keep turning, keep on waking to the ache that owns the night. Fragrant breeze recalls your smile, softly dancing through my pain. Time stands still for just a while, then releases me again. Do I mend or keep on aching? Held beneath this moonlit sky. FGMN, every breath a gift and breaking. Yet I learn to say goodbye.